Today, we will take you to one of the most modern dairy factories in the world. This factory can provide milk to 2 billion people thanks to its incredible technology. Here, thousands of healthy cows are milked with specially designed milking machines. The milk that reaches the factory goes through quality control, and the highest quality milk is processed. The pasteurized milk is taken into the homogenization process. Packaged milk is loaded onto shipping vehicles to be delivered to consumers around the world. It all starts on the farm. Goats are milked with special milking machines. These machines collect milk gently and hygienically, keeping the comfort of the goats at the highest level. Keeping the goats happy and healthy is the first step in producing quality milk. The milked milk is transported to the factory with special refrigerated tankers. Milk that passes quality control enters the processing line and is subjected to pasteurization. After pasteurization, the milk is taken into the homogenization process. We are going to the heart of the almond milk world, to the world's most modern almond milk factory. The heart of this factory is equipped with fully automatic robots and state-of-the-art machinery. Every stage is perfectly planned and under control. The best almonds are carefully selected, and here, the purest and most delicious almond milk is obtained. Thanks to these wonderful machines, hundreds of liters of almond milk can be produced per minute. Here comes the sheep milk and wool factory. In this modern facility, everything has been thought of down to the smallest detail. Sheep are milked quickly and comfortably with state-of-the-art milking machines. These machines collect the milk hygienically and make it ready for processing immediately. The wool of the sheep is carefully sheared with special machines. During this process, sheep are not harmed and the highest quality wool is obtained. Wool is cleaned, combed, and made ready for weaving through various processes. Have you ever wondered how milk powder is produced? First, fresh cow's milk is transported here in huge tankers. These milks immediately enter the processing line, and an amazing journey begins here. Milk is purified from all harmful bacteria by going through special filtering and pasteurization processes. Then comes the amazing technology that turns milk into powder. After the milk powder is dried, it is transported to the high-speed packaging line. Everything is completely automatic here. Robots carefully package the milk powder and make it ready to be shipped around the world. This is where the meat is processed fresh and delicious. Equipped with modern technology and hygiene standards, this facility virtually revolutionizes meat production. These state-of-the-art machines process meat with incredible speed and precision. Meat is slaughtered, processed, and packaged with a fully automatic system. In this way, the freshness and quality of the meat is always preserved. On this line, meat is packaged under hygienic conditions and ready to be sent all over the world. Here is the modern factory where chicken meat comes to life. You won't believe the advanced technology and hygiene standards that await us when we enter. Everything in this factory is processed in accordance with the highest hygiene standards. These modern machines process chicken meat with incredible speed and precision. Thanks to these state-of-the-art machines, chicken meat is cut, processed, and packaged with a completely automatic system. Every stage is meticulously controlled, so the freshness and quality of the meat is always maintained. Welcome to the world's most modern honey production factory. At the heart of this magnificent facility is the processing of honey carefully collected by bees. First, honeycomb collected from the hives is brought to this modern factory. Honeycomb is processed here with the most advanced technology. These state-of-the-art machines delicately separate the honey from the comb. Honey is processed in its completely natural and additive-free form. With the filtering process, honey is cleared of foreign substances and becomes ready for packaging in its purest form. This is the modern factory where milk turns into amazing cheese varieties. You won't believe the advanced technology and hygiene standards that await us when we enter. Thanks to these state-of-the-art machines, the milk first ferments and coagulates, forming the basis of cheese. Then, these clots are carefully cut and poured into molds. Here is the birth of cheese. These eggs are collected and processed with a completely automatic system. Thanks to these state-of-the-art machines, the eggs are carefully collected and cleaned. Here is the modern packaging line. On this line, eggs are packaged under hygienic conditions and ready to be sent all over the world. Every stage is meticulously inspected by quality control teams. We will take you to the magical world of pickle making. Introducing the world's most modern pickle factory. This incredible facility provides crunchy pickles to millions of people every day. If you are ready, let's start this delicious journey. Here, vegetables are meticulously cleaned with modern machines and prepared to become pickles. Fresh and crispy vegetables undergo a magical transformation at this stage. At this stage, the vegetables meet with special brine mixtures. Here lies the flavor secret of pickles. This magnificent factory is where fresh apples are turned into delicious purees. Apples are quickly peeled and cored in these special machines. Thanks to these state-of-the-art machines, apples are crushed and turned into puree. At this stage, the apples are turned into fine puree with special knives and crushing machines. Pureed apples are purified from microorganisms through special pasteurization processes. In this way, purees maintain their freshness and taste for a long time.